Okay, boses.
Ita, so vlogger.
Hindi ako nagsasalita eh. Ikaw voice over, Keisha.
I don't sound like that.
We're here. Girls. Kaya nga eh. Amin na, Katie.
That's okay. Give it.
Oo, ang bigat.
It is my costume.
What is it?
Guys, I don't belong here. This is a really nice hotel. My backpack is so heavy, bro. Yeah, guys. Guys, I'm low-key like tired. I was sitting with Katie and Atakisha in the plane. And it was really cool. And I wanted to ride a golf cart, but then we were already here. So yeah. Burb. So hi. I want to have a golf cart at home.
Our house is so small.
No?
Yeah. Okay.
Ano? Natin yung luggage.
Hey, sure. Yeah.
So,
How are you?
Good.
we're riding.
Where are you visiting from?
From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, so we're riding to our building.
People, Camelback.
I love golf
So
carts.
far,
When?
no, I think just those two.
Hi.
Yeah.
We're going to our...
Guys, it's hot here.
Oh yeah.
In the Philippines.
Oh, do you guys get hot too?
Yeah.
Is it more tropical or more?
It's a tropical place.
Okay, I thought so. Yeah.
Guys, it's really nice here. I don't think I should be here.
So you're in the JV?
Juniors.
Juniors.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, this is nice.
So, room for 11 nights? 11 nights ba? There's a couch. There's a kitchenette. What's inside? Ref.
What is this?
The sink and the bathroom.
Nasa gilid yung TV.
Ah, sige.
Nasa gilid yung TV. May TV din naman.
Hey you, dancer.
Ayan, para tayo kakain tatlo.
Uber Eats.
Kakain tayo. Uber Eats na lang.
Hey guys, so we arrived last night and we're gonna get our like car thing. So we're gonna get a taxi and after that we're gonna eat. Where you wanna eat?
I don't know. Oh, ano gusto mo?
Wanna eat Racing Canes?
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna eat Racing Canes again. Because it's like, I don't know. It's just near our hotel anyways. And we're gonna go to Target. And then Sephora. So yeah. That's a wall. So we're in the airport again to get our car, and it's kind of cold in here, guys, because I'm wearing like shorts and I'm wearing like a short sleeve. Guys, my lips are so dry and colorless.
This train is bound for Terminal 3, 24th Street Station, and Rental Car Center.
Car rental for today is a Mazda. See exactly. Put on seatbelt. Cookie.
Hindi na ako nagsasoft drinks, pero pag nandito, nakakatempt sa dami lagi.
Soda. Soda.
Iniwan na ako. Grabe, init. Nani, okay ka lang?
Sobrang init.
Cookie. Na. Ikaw kasi, kailangan pa magpunta rito. Ayoko nang. Joke lang, di ba? Papawis ka na. Uy. Init. Masipag basta sa Sephora pupunta. Kahit mainit.
May manulaman din dito ah.
Saan? Yun. Okay na tayo? Okay?
I want one.
Sige.
Finally, Arby's.
Maybe 2614.
Do I need to tap or?
Yeah.
Ano gusto mo?
Yun ulit, yung fruit punch.
Isa na lang yun.
Ano?
Dapat isa na lang.
O, yun yung sabi ko sa'yo eh. Di pa nadadala eh.
Hindi, akala ko kasi iba gusto mo. Kung alam ko lang na pareho. Ay! Let's eat! Favorite ko since dati pa.
Since that.
Sarap. Ayaw kasi na dito sa Arby's. Lagi ako mag-isa.
Sarap kasi siya. Mali lang order ko.
Parang bitin yung order.
Diba? Ano mo? Sarap.
Masarap talaga yan. Basta nagpunta ako sa Amerika, maka-Arby's at saka Chick-fil-A lang ako, ayos na ako. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga sauce. Yung favorite ko, horsey. Horseradish. Ito Arby's sauce. kami ng food para mag-cookie. Then matatapos na yung practice nila for the morning session. Mamaya ulit 4. Hanggang 9 ng gabi.
Tara na sa parking. Alin?
Ano nga stars? Bukas ba yan?
Hindi yan eh. Ganyan. Di ba makikita?
Ano?
Nagkagat na, sorry. Kumakain si Cookie, so ang bibili namin ay Jollibee.
Dumayo.
Bili ka na lang. Apat na burgers. Ano lang lang?
Okay. Ano, one family.
Oo, tapos ilang...
One family pack and three plain rice.
Three flavors, anything else? Dalawang french fries.
French fries tayo.
Tama ba? Kasi isang... Two fries. Two fries.
Kanilang burger stick.
Ha?
Okay mo.
Hindi, yung pang-claim. Medyo kumukurap na yung kilo kahit hindi ko na. I mean, warning, malapit ka na. Ang galing sa Jollibee dito. Puro mga Pilipino yung kumakain. Ayun na. Sabi sa'yo.
Go.
Ikaw.
Ikaw na.
Si Kuya eh.
Wait lang ah. Ano ka na? Waze.
Ikaw muna ano magulang.
Happy. Happy. One, two, three, smile, everyone, happy. Okay.
We are Sayawata Junior. We are in HHI 2025.
Yes!
Kita na lang ako na.
Yeah. Good job. Good job.
Ready, one.
Saan tayo, Mami?
Ross.
Bruce. Anong mall ka?
Arizona.
Inspector me, I'd like to tell you what a girl. Kabila.
Nako po, hindi mo susuotin yan. May cool hand ka na nabili niya. Ito mga magugustuhan ni Fonzie.
Ni?
Fonzie.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi ko alam, pero mukhang Mars and Margera. Karl Lagerfeld.
Mga gusto ko eh. Kabila eh.
Oo. Inverted na beja.
Beja. Namimili talaga ako nito.
Magkano may mga ganito? $65.
Ayun mga nag-go-grocery. Ay, mga nag-go-grocery. Uy.
Hello. Ano na? Oh, video.
Umandar na may video ka na. Tama.
Anong saya?
Ah.
Hello, hello! Hello, good morning!
O, diyan kayo mag-asawa. Dito kayo mag-asawa.
Okay.
They're ready to the stage and welcome right now to Cyber Kids.
Place, Sayawa. Roxy of New Zealand.
Yan full tank, kalahati lang yung 20 tires na. Pero kasi below half eh. So tinansya ko lang. Hindi ako gaano kainit, ay nasa beach lagi. Wala. Go. Ayaw ko dito. Ayaw mag-mazy si Mara. Hindi sa kabila. Halika.
Tawa ka ng tawa.
Makakita rito sa mall.
Nasaan ka?
Macy's.
Where?
Sa Chandler Parsons. Chandler Fashion.
Ito pala, oh. Owala.
Oh, ang tatak niyan.
Owala.
Ano, hindi. Oh. Ano, ano?
Oh.
Wala ko. Oh, wow.
Hello. Where can I find hair accessories for kids?
Babies?
No, like 10 years old.
We might have some over in backstage.
Oh, I didn't find any.
I
That's
don't
all that
think-
you have?
That's all we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dito kasi sa outlet, oh.
Alin?
Oh, $79.99.
Pareho lang.
Ito, $70. Ito, oh, yung mga half-zip ni Kuya. Kaya nga, tinitingnan ko lang kung magkano.
40 off para siya.
Oh, $88 na lang.
200 yung bili ko dun, di ba?
Oo.
Saan tayo? Dito pala.
Kasi
Pero wala
malalaki.
namang size yan. Wala namang size.
XL.
Kaya yan, sinil lang ganyan.
Ito, oh. Magkano to?
Full zip yan.
Hindi, pero magkano dito?
Ito.
Hindi siya nakasale?
Hindi. 138 lang.
138?
Parang mas mura.
Oo nga. Meron.
Plastic kit lang. Mapas.
Oo.
Nakabili na ako.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Kasi luma stock.
At
ayun,
customs.
ganda niya no. Kaso XL. Malalaking size na siguro. Ito, small. Medium. Ito, small.
Ito, black. Kaya lang ordinary.
125 talaga ba? 125 na? Mas marami pa dito kaysa sa outlet eh. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Do you have this?
Yeah, well, let's see.
That looks like it's braided.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Straight ones?
Yeah.
Hanap kami ng mga props
Yeah,
ng
just
girls
the
for
curly one, that's all I
semifinals.
have. Or like that one there. And that's a whole bunch of them. But just the singles, I don't have that.
Okay.
Kami sa Dillard's. Nakaganito kasi itong hirap naman. Pero mas tama ito, nakaganyan. Mall kami, wala kami nakikita.
So, sa bababa tayo.
Do I do? Wala kami sinasabi, kumakanta na lang ako background. What is... Lakad-lakad po kami. Dito na po kami sa landmark. Ano? Ano?
SM.
Landmark 2. Kuya, favorite o bango? Kami sa Ecobani pala dito eh. Kaso ganun din yung mga kulay. Ayun, ang ganda nito. Same.
Dito sa Tokyo. Malay mo, meron.
Scotty baby. Ang hirap mo maghanap ng props nila para sa semifinals bukas. Tama yung makita. Saan?
I have the Mongolian beef.
Beef for here to go?
For here.
Would you like any spicy one now?
No, not spicy. And then one tom yum fried rice.
Supplies.
Sige nga, tikman. Sige, mamaya na. Tikman mo muna.
Punasan. Matamis. Pwede na.
Ayan o, may sriracha tsaka ano ba yan? Kikoman?
Iba naman. Sarap.
Masarap.
Again. Init, diba? Hanep. No.
Hello? It's so init. Water park, Daddy, I look stupid with my lipstick.
Hindi naman. Hoy, tingin kayong tatlo. Baka mamaya masagasaan kayo. Thank you, thank you.
That's coffee, Daddy.
Iced tea yan.
That's black iced tea.
Yes.
Pero okay na rin kasi
Sarap.
Kasi pupunta na RC. Alam mo naman.
Paparty ni Tita Min, kumain na kayo rito.
Sige, napakita. Gusto ko mag-business. Sige, dali mo sa ano. Ito pa puro video. Dali mo sa fries. Dali mo sa story niya.
Oo. Sarap na.
Ang sarap ng adobo na recipe ni Tita Min, Bernardo. Aming celebrity mommy. Oh.
Thank you, Tita Min.
The best. Yeah.
May parking sa taas. Okay.
I'm afraid to talk to him.
Good night. Mami.
Okay.
Gusto mo picture? Go. Lapit mo yan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Lang sa sofa. Yan?
Yeah, but they only have. Thank you. Thank you.
Dining Arizona. Teams nila. I say
Phoenix. RJ Hassan.
Randy. Mami. Ganda dito. Ang mall. Ano yan?
Tita K.
Ito pala mami, may Rolex dito eh. No stock. Dito ano? Iba dito. Social dito sa ano, Scottsdale. Nandun yan ah.
Wait, a spring.
Bili mo ako niyan.
At ikaw din.
Ha?
Oh.
Ano yan na?
3. Oo nga eh. Mahal pala, no?
Oh, mahal.
Isa lang. Oh, it's okay. Thank you so much. Ayun na lang. Pork and vegetable. Wala na daw yung chicken. You wanna try the pork?
Which one was the last time you... Which one was the last
It
one
was
you bought?
in Walmart. It was pork. You wanna try?